Spyderco Manix 2 lightweight, the burnt orange scales, fiberglass reinforced copolymer, Rex 45 blade steel, ball bearing lock, pin construction. It is not screwed like some people were thinking. Right and left hand wire clip, tip up. Dropping now. I tried to get this out sooner. I actually had a buddy get this for me. I didn't get mine until a couple days ago. He got it right when they first came out. I don't know who it was from originally. Knives Plus, maybe. Knife Works. But they sent it UPS and it just took forever to get here. So I was going to try to get this out earlier as a heads up video. Most of the online vendors have dropped. Knife Center, which has been holding all others until the end. You know, no premiere drops, whatever. They just wait until they have them all and then drop them. They haven't yet, and DLT Trading, I know as of today, has not. So there's still opportunities to get this. $122.50 is the cost. And this is the last chance to get the Rex 45 in this series of sprints that they've done at this price level. It's $122.50 is pretty cheap. The last one that hasn't dropped yet is the Rex 45 Native Chief G10, which is going to be, I think, $160, $170. Here's the paperwork. The box. I've had this knife since the drop. I'll just show it here on the video. This is the River's Edge Cutlery Paramilitary 2 with the green G10 blacked out hardware and the PVD coated blade of CTS-204P. Perfect example. This was $169.99. They sold very quickly. There was a lot of hype for this knife. And what ended up happening is, as prepared as River's Edge tried to be, their website ended up selling, whoever their software is, a lot more. People were getting confirmation instead of knowing what the limitations were. Somehow the site or the server just kept selling, and they oversold by quite a bit. I noticed a lot of people on the forums got the unfortunate email stating that they weren't going to get their knife even though they got a confirmation. River's Edge has basically put out some statements apologizing, no excuses. They're good people there. I mean, they've always treated me really good with great service. That if you got that confirmation email, you're first in line because this is going to be an ongoing drop according to River's Edge. It's not just a one and done. They're going to do a few batches of it. So I don't know how many they got this time, if it was 500, 600. But you are in line if you did get that confirmation email, and I'm sure they will let people know when that's happening. Now this one took a while because it was originally supposed to be out in January, and I think they had some quality control issues is what I heard with the PVD coating. So you will have another chance on this knife, if that's what you like. Here's the box on this one, excuse me. It did come with an avocado sticker. It's in the box here. I don't know where I put it. Another Rex sticker and then a card for the PM2. So this is dropping now. I apologize about the delay in getting it to you. There goes my flash again. I don't know what the deal is with that today. Second time that's happened. The Rex 45 Spyderco Manix 2 lightweight burnt orange, you know, dropping now.